Hello guys, welcome to another episode of my videos on the Business in Africa YouTube channel, where I talk about business on the African continent. In today's video, I just want to talk about the 5 reasons why you should invest in Rwanda. Yes, in 2021, there are just so many reasons why you should be thinking of investing in Rwanda, because 2020 is, COVID year, and that's past. So let's talk about why you should invest in Rwanda in 2021. Rwanda is a country that is landlocked in the eastern part of Africa, right? And Rwanda has like 12.5 million people and is one of the fastest growing economies in Africa. If you've been following the country right now, it has been very stable, and the president Paul Kagame is doing a real good job. So that said, let's dive into the 5 reasons why I think you should invest in Rwanda. But before we go down to that, if you are new here, just make sure you click on the subscribe button and like, share, and drop me a comment of which country you want me to talk about next. My name is Rufo Chifu. I'm the CEO founder of HR and Systems, and for a very long time now, we've been helping so many companies invest in Africa and just get started. We set up their companies, do feasibility studies for them, business plan, negotiate so many things for these companies. And if you want to invest in Africa, you can always contact us. The numbers are on the screen. So let's dive down straight into the 5 reasons why you should be investing in Africa in 2021. Number 1, sustained economic growth. If you have been following Rwanda for the past decades, you will realize that they have been on a GDP growth rate on a year-on-year basis of about 8%. Guys, that is something so wonderful for that economy, and that's why we call it one of the fastest growing economies in Africa as we speak. On a year-on-year basis, that's how they've been growing, and their GDP is about $8 billion US. More than so many other African countries, right? Paul Kagame is doing a great job. And Rwanda has a strategy to becoming the MIC, that's the middle class country, by 2035, and the HIC, the high class country, by 2050. So they've projected that the growth rate is going to be increasing by like 5% from now right up to that point, okay? So if you plan on investing in Africa, then Rwanda should be on your checklist. Number 2, we have political stability, or I like to also call it the robust governance. Yes, this is where I come in with Paul Kagame, the president of Rwanda. If you notice, since the genocide in 1994, Rwanda has fairly been very stable, with little or no, no fight or instability or violence. There hasn't been nothing like that for a very long time now. Why? Because Paul Kagame, who is running for his 3rd term now, has been able to consolidate power and he's in control. Although I hear that he's some kind of like, autocratic kind of ruler, but he's been able to do so well in his country for the past decades. And believe me, last year, that's 2018, not last year, in 2018, we had so many women who stepped up to the leadership of the country. So that's a good thing as well, and making the country to be fairly stable. Now let's go to number 3. Point number 3, I'll be talking about the availability of opportunities, okay? Rwanda has a very wide variety of opportunities in terms of agriculture, in terms of infrastructure, in the telecom sector. There are just so many opportunities in Rwanda. I'll be covering all of this in another video, or if you want, right, you can purchase my book called The Unique Business Ideas in 54 African countries, or in every African country, which is on Amazon Kindle right now, and you're going to know all the opportunities, or the best opportunities in Rwanda. Now let's go to point number 4. I'll be talking about COVID-19 on this point. Yes, how Rwanda managed COVID-19. Remember that this video is all about the reasons why you should invest in Rwanda in 2021, right? So this year, Rwanda has been able to manage COVID-19 so well. They took a credit from the World Bank of about $14 million US to manage this, and their COVID-19 rate has really not been that devastating. So their economy is still intact somehow, and Rwanda is a very good destination for you guys in 2021. Point number 5, access to markets. Or let me say the market potential. Yes, the market potential is there for The market potential is there with over 12.5 million people. And more than 45% of Rwandans are in the public or in the urban areas. So this automatically gives a very big market for any kind of business that wants to set up in Rwanda. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Those were the 5 reasons why I think you should invest in Rwanda. If you're new to this channel, just drop me a comment. Make sure you click on the subscribe button and just keep watching, because there's just so many other resources on this channel for you as a potential investor or somebody who is interested in business in Africa. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Hello guys, hello my Business in Africa YouTube family. I hope you all are doing great. I'm here today to bring you the good news, right? I just released 2 ebooks. I don't want to call them books. I prefer calling them tools, because these are investment tools that if you want to invest in Africa, then it's a must-have. Here is the first one. Unique business ideas for every African country. Yes, you heard it right. I went to every African country and brought to you the unique business ideas that are the best profitable business ideas in this country. I took into consideration their geographic location, political stability, their economy, culture, and every other thing was taken into consideration to choose these businesses that are most profitable in each African country. Yes, you don't have to go anywhere to look for business ideas anymore. And of course, the best countries that you can invest in is also answered in this book. So get this book, it's on Amazon Kindle. The second book is this one, The African Business Startup BRAINBOX. Yes, it's the BRAINBOX because it tells you everything you need to know about registering and setting up a company in every African country. Yes, in all the 54 African countries. So you've got the procedures that you need, you've got the estimated cost, and how much time you need to register your company in every African country. So you don't need to search anywhere online, just grab these tools. There are 2 of them, and all of them are on Amazon Kindle. So you can either get it as an ebook or a paperback. That's your choice. And let me tell you something. There is something I'm offering. If you buy these books, I'm going to offer you a free consultation session. Anytime you want, right? My numbers are on the screen. You can just contact me, but make sure you click and purchase my books, okay? I don't want to call them books, I call them tools. Just click right now and add them to your purchase list. Thank you so much for ordering my books, and I'm sure we're going to do business in Africa together. Let's get ready for 2021. See you around.